So as we know, Thane is a beautiful city, but it's currently facing many issues such as traffic congestion, public inadequate public transportation, and pollution. So our model here is trying to address these problems and has incorporated many solutions for those.
So one of our most prominent changes is one thing called a liquid tree. A liquid tree is basically enclosed in a membrane and it has microalgae in it. It is as efficient as two adult trees and it requires no exposure to soil, so it can be present in malls, homes, and it is a much more efficient way for the process of photosynthesis. Another prominent thing are the EV vehicles. So as you can see, we have incorporated solar panels all over our model. So solar panels can not only be used to charge these electric vehicles, but also supply electricity throughout the whole city.
Now we have this maglev metro, which works on magnetic levitation. It does not it moves without touching the ground, and it is a very fast, efficient, and very sustainable. Yes. Then we also have these vertical gardens on these residential buildings. We have the biodiversity.
We are trying to retain
Yes.
biodiversity and preserve them through such examples. We also have a water body which can act as a cooling agent for such high temperatures. And the most notable feature in our model can be our recycling center. So through this center, we are trying to encourage people to recycle much more waste products which have been generated in Thane as a city.
And we are also trying to show the art and culture part of Thane. We have we have made all of this in the physical map of Thane. So we have tried doing that, and
So all the products we use to make this model are actually environmentally sustainable and very eco-friendly. So apart from the cars, all of them are made by hand through paper, cardboard, and such things. So
thank you so much.